Hey everybody, how's it going? Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys enjoyed your day off from exercise yesterday, doing the academic day. Talking about EPOC. So remember, if you have not turned in those EPOC worksheets, make sure you do that. There's the 3-minute YouTube video and then all of that information on the Schoology page from yesterday, talking about what it stands for, what it is, the fact that having it for a long time after workout is a good thing because it burns calories. You burn more calories in anaerobic workout. Okay, all that stuff, remember, is yesterday on the Schoology page. So make sure you turn that in if you have not. Today, we are going to move into an arms and abs resistance workout. So a lot of you guys have asked for some arms and some abs. So here we go. Today's workout is going to be different than anything we've done yet, and you have two options. So option 1 is going to be a little bit harder. Option 2 is going to be a little bit easier. Okay, you don't get points off if you pick the easier option, but I just wanted to put that out there for some of you guys. So here we are, arms and abs today. We're just going to go right into talking about the workout. So you get to pick your difficulty. 3-minute warm-up, 10-minute arm circuit, and then a 5-minute ab circuit. Okay, that's how your workout should take about 20 minutes today. Okay, so for a warm-up today, we're going to jog in place for 3 minutes. Make sure you get those knees up, use those arms. You should get that heart rate up and start to increase your blood flow during this warm-up. Okay, so everybody has this 3-minute warm-up. Once you're done with your warm-up, all right, we're going to go down to the arms portion of the workout today. Okay, for this workout, you will complete the exercise, and then for the remainder of the minute, you will rest. Okay, so exercise 1 here says 15 push-ups. So if you are level 1, you're going to be in this column here. Okay, if you're going to do level 2, which is a little bit easier, you're going to follow this column here. Okay, so you're going to start your timer. You're going to do 15 push-ups. For the remainder of that minute, you're just going to rest. So if you choose level 2 and you do the push-ups over here on your knees, and you are done after 35 seconds, you have until the clock hits 1 minute to rest. All right, once it hits 1 minute, we're going down here. We're going to do 15 tricep dips. If your feet are out straight, it's going to be a little bit harder. If you bend them, it's going to be a little bit easier. Okay, again, if you get that done in 25 seconds, you're going to have the remainder of that time until it says 2 minutes to rest. Once your stopwatch says 2 minutes, we're going to come down here. You're going to do 15 backpack bicep curls. So if you want to make it harder, load up that backpack. Okay, make it really heavy, cans of soup, throw your Xbox in there. If you want to make it easier, obviously make the backpack a little bit lighter. Okay, once your stopwatch is 3 minutes, we're going to come down here. We're going to do 10 explosive push-ups. All right, so these are tough. This is the best I could do. You're pushing and you're trying to get your hands off the ground. Okay, so if you want to do them a little bit easier, you can come over here on your knees. You can try to clap, or we can go on our feet here. Okay, once we do 10, we're going to rest. Then we're going to do 20 front raises. The heavier the backpack is, the harder it will be. Okay, so this is 5 exercises. It'll take 5 minutes. Then you're going to repeat it all once more. We're going to go back to the top here. So if you do level 1 for push-ups, that doesn't mean you have to do level 1 for tricep dips or level 1 for backpack bicep curls. Okay, you can go back and forth and do a mixture of the two, right? So once you go all the way through these twice, it'll be 10 minutes. Take a little breather, and then we have our 5-minute ab circuit. Okay, again, you have 2 options here. Your level 1 is going to be a little harder. Your level 2 over here is going to be a little bit easier. So we have a front plank for 1 minute. After this front plank, you're going to try to go right into your bear plank. Okay, this one's going to be tough. So to make it easier, just take breaks as you need them. Okay, we have big butterfly kicks here. All right, the hands out to the side are going to make it a little bit harder. Hands under your butt are going to make it easier. For our scissor kicks down here, same thing. Hands out to the side will be harder. Hands underneath will be easier. And then we have our butterfly sit-ups. Okay, arms all the way back. Try to reach as far as you can over those toes. Takes breaks as you need them. Okay, and then for your assignment, you're going to do the exit ticket here. Right, you're going to download this PDF into Notability so we can upload it in the assignment tab. Okay, so which level of difficulty did you choose? Circle or highlight one. If you did both, just circle or highlight both. Okay, which factors made you decide this? So were you sore today? Did you already work out for your sport? Are you you don't like doing arms? You don't like doing abs, so you want to do it easier? Okay, whatever those factors were, write those there. Were you satisfied? So did you like the difficulty you chose? Did you get the results you desired? And then you're going to fill in your RPE level, okay, which we talked about last week on these 5 exercises here. All right, let's make sure we upload this by midnight tonight.